The breath. The breath is one of the most vital tools that we use in yoga. The technique of guiding or moving energies through the body is called pranayama. Prana is the energy of life. So in this technique, we use the breath to guide this energy everywhere so that it can flow through us without any clogs or stoppages. The breath is amazing because it is a gauge. It tells us how we're feeling. We breathe very differently if we're relaxing by a pool or if we're running from a ferocious beast. And this is actually information on a more finite scale. It's a tool because by using your breath, you can introduce a calm into the mind, even in the most stressful of situations, or you can breathe differently to energize yourself. Now, the most basic breath in yoga, and one of the most used and powerful, is our three-part yogic breath. Now, even though it is basic, it's not really simple, but it can be practiced and mastered. So I teach it in 4 steps. Step 1 is breathing in and out through the nose. Pretty simple. Let's do that 3 times together. Inhale through your nose. Exhale out through the nose. Inhale through the nose. Exhale out through the nose. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Now you're a yoga breathing professional. Step 2 is our 3-part yogic breath. So take one hand on your belly, take the back of the other hand into the small of the lower back. Now as you inhale, I want you to feel the energy spreading out between the hands. Exhale, feel the belly pulling into the spine. Gently. Inhale, breathe and spread the hands apart. And then exhale, reversing that process. Belly draws in. One more time, breathing in. And exhale, breathing out. Part 2, take your hands onto the ribs. As you inhale, I want you to feel the ribs widen and lift, breathing in. As you exhale, they naturally drop back down. Inhale again, widen and lift. And then exhale, let them release back down. Breathing through the nose. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Nice. Part 3. Take one hand onto your heart, other hand can stack. Now as you breathe in, I want you to feel the hands rising up. As you breathe out, stay relaxed, but maintain a little bit of that buoyancy in the chest. Inhale again, heart lifts, collarbones widen. And then exhale, relax, but maintain that lift. One more time, breathing in. And then exhale, maintain. Now let's put all 3 of those together. On your inhale, breathe into the belly, the ribs, and the chest. Exhale, let the belly draw in, ribs naturally lower, maintain buoyancy. Inhale again, belly, ribs, and chest. Exhale, same order, belly in, ribs drop, heart stays lifted. One more time, inhale. 1, 2, 3, exhale. 1, 2, 3. So that, my friends, is our 3-part yogic breath. In and out through the nose, which means that we're halfway there in our 4 steps. But we're actually more than halfway there, because our next step, we've kind of sort of already been doing. We use a technique called samavritti breathing, which basically means equal inhale to exhale ratio. For example, we breathe into the count of 3 and then out to that same count of 3. Now, as I mentioned, we've already pretty much been doing that. So let's move on to our final step. Step 4, which is our Ujjayi Pranayama. Now, this type of breath could be described as the victorious breath because it does invoke a feeling of power. It brings confidence, focus, and calm into the body, and it also works to heat and detoxify ourselves. Now, the easiest way to describe the action involved is to say that we're bringing a slight constriction or contraction into the diaphragm of the throat. This produces a sound or a voicing that many of us would describe as the sound of a small ocean. Now on the inhale, it resembles the sound that you might make if someone were to surprise you. Now imagine you're walking down the street and a grizzly bear jumps out from behind a tree and you go, now it's probably not that intense and eventually it's done with the mouth closed, but let's see if we can do that together. Inhale with the mouth open, someone surprises you. Let's exhale out through the nose. Inhale, make the sound again, relax it a bit. Exhale it out. One more time. Exhale it out. Now let's try that same thing with the mouth closed. First, breathe in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth normally. Breathe in, mouth closed. Exhale out. Breathe in, mouth closed. Exhale out. One more time. Exhale out. Now let's take a look at the exhale. With the mouth open, put a hand in front of your face and imagine that you're fogging up a piece of glass. If you've never done this before, put it on your bucket list. So we're gonna do that 3 more times, breathing on our hand like we're fogging up a piece of glass. Breathe in through the nose. Exhale, fog glass. Inhale through the nose. Exhale. One more time. Exhale, fog glass. Now let's try that with the mouth closed. Inhale through the nose. Mouth closed. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. So now we're going to try to put that all together. Do your best, that's all I ask. First, let's reset. Breathe in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. 3 times, nostrils only. Breathing in, diaphragm contracts. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Last time. And out. So there you have it, nice and smooth. Nostril breathing, 3-part yogic breath, belly, ribs, and chest, equal ratio inhale to exhale, using that Victoria sound. Now I know we just flew through it, so take down your notes. Make sure that you're practicing putting all these pieces together. The breath is relaxed and easy from start to finish on your inhale, and it's relaxed and easy from the start to finish of your exhale. And of course, they are the same length. So give it your best, and I look forward to moving into our next part of breathing, which is going to be connecting the breath to our movements. Namaste.